Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you, I always say this, I think I say this in every single video, I'm really excited for this video. But I can't help it because every video I get excited for. But this one I am excited for. I'm excited. How many times can I say that? In today's video, I am sharing a little tea zone, as I'm calling it, with you. Now, at Christmas time, Derek had given me a new Cuisinart single-serve coffee machine. And with that, I had been having issues with my Keurig for a couple months. Oh, maybe, for a couple months. It's kind of starting to... It seems to be working okay right now, but it was having some troubles reading the K-cup, and I realized that to push in the cup and then the Keurig was working fine. So Derek got me a Cuisinart. I'd done so much research, had a lot of good reviews I've seen on the Cuisinart. So I still had the Keurig and it was working fine. I thought, where am I going to put this? So originally I put it down in the new bar area that we did our reno, and I thought, okay, that'll work perfect when people are over. If we're downstairs, I can make them coffee or tea or whatnot. So I put it on there and I just really wasn't feeling it. Everything is silver on, it's got this silver chic look, and this is black and a little bit of silver, and it just didn't feel right. I didn't like how it looked. It just didn't look good. Then a light bulb came on and I thought, how fun would it be to set up a tea area in this room, because I've done my vanity space behind me, and I thought, I film in here, I do my makeup in here, I do my hair in here, why not make a tea area as well? And I thought, how fantastic. I was changing up my coffee table tray. I got a new one for that. Stay tuned for that video. And I thought, you know what? I could reuse that mirror tray in here. So I came up with this idea to make my tea zone in here. I love to drink peppermint tea in the evenings, and I thought that would be great. I could come in here, drink a tea or whatever, and I would utilize that a lot more than having it as a coffee kind of thing in the bar area. I put it on my bookshelf. So my bookshelf, I had some faux flowers. I had a picture of Derek and I on there. Then I had a sign that I had from the dollar store. And then I had one of my vlogging camera on there, and there you go. And I just was like, it was okay, but I thought it's perfect. So I took my Keurig and it just fits plugging in to the outlet that's just down at the bottom. That's perfect. I brought my mirror tray, put it on there, and that fits perfect. And then what I did is I took a couple of my favorite mugs, and they kind of have the same design. So I decided that would look really cute, and I added those on top of the mirror tray. Then I kept my little Swarovski dog. Derek bought that for me many years ago, and I broke the tail a long time ago, and then I lost the little tail. So he has a little cropped one, and put that on there. And then I thought, I already have this silver container. I was using it for granola bars in the workout room, and Derek wasn't really using it because I thought if he wanted a snack. So I decided, well, I can reuse that. It's silver and goes perfect. And then I will put my peppermint tea K-cups in there. So I had everything already on hand. The only thing I added was this really cute DIY plaque that I made. And I have a video for that if you're interested in seeing how I did this. Guess you could call it a believe sign. It's super easy. I thought it'd be really cute to just add something else on there that brings it all together, that kind of puts a little bit of me in that space as well that I've added. Everything else I already had been using. So why not do it for basically no money except for the DIY? And I absolutely love how it has come together to be able to make a cup of peppermint tea. Right now I'm drinking water, but I absolutely think it's incredibly cute. It's adorable. I come in here, I was doing this last night. I made myself a cup of peppermint tea in my cozy robe, laid on my couch here and surrounded by my vanity space and just the room that I film in, and just think that it's my new little tea zone and I absolutely love it. And I think my whole kind of kickoff this year is trying to utilize things that I have already, or hopefully it doesn't cost too much, to just add a little something into the space. I did this vanity on a budget. I've done my tea zone on a budget. But then there are a couple other spots in my home that I've kind of revamped with newer stuff. But I've been able to reutilize. I've been able to utilize those items that I wasn't going to be using into these spaces down here. And I couldn't be happier. And I absolutely love it. I don't know, many people who have a coffee area and then their own little tea area. And if I have guests over, because this is our guest bedroom as well, I can always get, if they want to take a coffee or a tea to go, I can get those. You can buy those disposable cups. I've seen them at the dollar store that have the lid, and they can take a cup to go, and I can always put some coffee in there and kind of personalize it for if someone is staying here. What I would like to do is just maybe get them some coffee or tea that they really like and set it up if they like cream and sugar, and do that if that's something that they love, or maybe they just want some peppermint tea. But I think it'd be really cute to do that for if you do have guests, and just to personalize a little welcome saying, or, like welcome, or add some water if they want bottles of water. That area just kind of allows me to personalize it that way. So it has a multi-purpose function. So I really hope that you have enjoyed seeing how I've put together my little tea zone, doing it with pretty much everything I already had in my house and just moving it down here. So let me know what your favorite part of my tea zone is, and would you guys like a little tea zone in your house? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.